given the nature of roots of quadratic equation 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equals to 0, very important in 10th class mathematics. Give the nature of roots. We have to find nature of roots of the given quadratic equation 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equals to 0. Observe clearly. Quadratic equation, we know that quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, right? Given equation comparing with quadratic equation, right? So a equals to 2, b equals to minus 6, c equals to 3. A equal to 2, b equal to minus 6, c equal to 3. Then you have to find discriminant. Discriminant of a quadratic equation d equals to b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. Then b means how much? Minus 6. Minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a means 2 into c means 3. That means minus 6 square means 36 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. That means 36 minus 24. 6 minus 4 2, 3 minus 2 1. We got 12. Discriminant is 12. That means 12 is greater than 0. Greater than 12 is greater than 0. That means given quadratic equation having two roots, those whose are distinct and real roots. Those are distinct and real roots.